Okay, welcome friends to Saptarishis Astrology. We are still at Talangpur and Nalin Bhai is here, Amita Ben is here, and Amita Ben is Bhabhi of Nalin Bhai's wife. Now we have travelled so far to get a first-hand account of a prediction given by an astrologer from Valsad somewhere in 1973. Right? Welcome to Saptarishis Astrology. Okay, and this is a beautiful village, and we just saw a peacocks here, live peacocks. So beautiful, right at the Angan, right, like 10 meters. Oh, that is okay. Mona. So now the thing is, this was a great prediction, and it was not done by astrology, but the method of the prediction was so unique. And India is full of such unique, great astrologers. They are still alive in small cities, small villages. They're still alive. But this is a taste of a prediction given in 1973. There was this great astrologer called Manibhai Shukla. Manibhai Shukla from Valsad. And Amita Ben used to be friends with his daughter. Manibhai Shukla's daughter.
Living in the same
street, same vicinity. They used to be
in same street.
Now, one day she goes to Manibhai Shukla. And वो आपको क्या prediction देते हैं आपके फ्यूचर के बारे में?
फ्यूचर के बारे में उसने बोला था कि तुम्हारी शादी होगी, एक ही लड़का होगा, कुटुंब बड़ा होगा और तुम्हारे घर के पास ही होगा। मेरा बेटा यही है।
अच्छा, आपका मैका यही है।
फैमिली बड़ा होगा।
इसका पहला घर आता है
मैं मेरे फुआ के घर पढ़ती थी
और आपके बारे में क्या प्रेडिक्शन दिया था?
उसने मेरा पर्स खो गया था।
नहीं, वो एजुकेशन आपको
एजुकेशन ने बोला था तुम्हारे नसीब में है लेकिन पढ़ नहीं सकेगी तुम्हारा समय ही ऐसा चलेगा कि तुम पढ़ नहीं सकेगी, छोड़ देना पड़ेगा। ऐसा हुआ।
ऐसे हो, मैं ट्रांसलेट करता हूँ। सी द थिंग इज he made a prediction to her, okay, and you were probably in 9th standard or something. 9th में थे आप? कौन से standard में थे? 10th standard. She was in 10th standard. He said about her future marriage that she will marry a person who will be only one male in the family, but he will have a big family. He will have a big family.
एक ही son होगा.
Means one son in that family. And he will have a big family, but it will not be from Valsad, but from her own village, which is Talangpur. Okay, so she is also from this place, and her husband also is from this place. Now, this was the prediction.
Same village.
Okay, and at the same time, okay, about her education, he said that in your destiny, education is there, but somehow in this life, that destiny will not be fulfilled and you will not clear your matriculation. And that is what happened. Her mother expired during that time.
Serious हो गया.
Became serious.
Serious बीमार हो गया.
Amita Ben's mother became sick and serious, so she had to leave the education. और उसके बाद में आप education कर नहीं पाए. After that she could not complete her education.
Immediately she has to leave the Valsad and इधर आना पड़ा.
Oh, she had to leave Valsad and come back.
वो बड़ी है, उसका भाई बहन छोटा है।
Oh, so she had to take care of the whole family. Okay. Now this is two predictions: marriage life, education. Now, incidentally, during that time, one great incident happened, which is the title of this video. Okay, which I call the seven close prediction. Okay, you lost your purse. Okay, इनका पर्स गुम गया, तब आप इनके पास गए थे. Okay.
पूछा मैंने क्या मेरा पर्स खो गया, मिलेगा 7 लवंग ले ले, फेंक दो.
अच्छा,
फेंक दो. चलते
7 लवंग फेंकते जाओ.
स्कूल तक जाना है. करते जाओ. लास्ट जिधर डालेगा ना उधर आपका पर्स मिलेगा. ऐसा ही होगा. डिस्टेंस कितना? एटलीस्ट हाफ माइल का डिस्टेंस.
Distance
का घर से स्कूल.
Okay. So she goes to Manikaka And how much was the money? कितना पैसा था उसका?
50
वो भी 73 में भी 50 रुपया बड़ी बात है.
बड़ी बात.
1973 rupees 50 is very tough. Okay, so she lost her purse. She's young. She's taking care of the family. So it's a big responsibility to take care of the family. So she goes to Manika, and Manika says, "Don't worry, you'll get the purse." She says, "How?" She says, "Take 7 clothes. Take 7 clothes."
લવિંગ બી એને જ આપેલી.
वो भी खुश नहीं है।
લવિંગ બી એને જ આપેલી.
Acha, he himself gave. Acha. He removes 7 clothes. Okay, that is Lavan. Gives it to her and says, "From here, he had probably asked her before कि where all you had gone." So she's at temple and school, etc.
घर से स्कूल तक
Girls से school तक. So
और
she walks. He says, "Go walking, and as you're walking, you keep on throwing one cloth as you're walking." Okay.
As
In
you
the
desire.
7th cloth, as wherever you want, as you
बस,
desire. 7th cloth, wherever you throw, you will get your
What's that?
purse. And that is what happened. The final throw, where she threw, the purse was
તો
right
બોલાયો
there.
નહીં કારણ કે પૈસા તો નથી આપવા એટલે બોલાયો નહીં
वो
ને.
क्या कोई के घर में रह जाता वो बैठ दिया वो भी घबरा गया था एकदम कोई को क्या बोलेगा हाँ सब लोग को घर में क्या बोलेगा
Acha. So this is a 46-year-old prediction. See, this is a 46 years हो गया prediction.
हाँ, हो गया.
Okay. Of course, Manibhai Shukla is not there. Okay. But एक इंसान के लिए एक प्रेडिक्शन याद रखना. अब सोचिए हम लोग कितने प्रेडिक्शंस हमें मिलते हैं, बट कोई प्रेडिक्शन दिमाग में और दिल में उतर जाता है. दिस इज दैट प्रेडिक्शन कि व्हेन यू आर यंग यू आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द फैमिली.
इसलिए कि वो पैसा फूल को पास तो मारना पड़ेगा. यहाँ से पिताजी ने दिया तो पापा ने दिया तो वो ही रखना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
जब आऊँ टिकट निकालने वलसाड से सचिन साथी
जाने
तो
के लिए
उसको मालूम भी नहीं पड़ना पड़ेगा चलेगा
लोग
कि बस हो
कोई
गया.
डांटेगा।
What डांटेगा? What that will be?
फिर बोला
Acha, Goa was Hitler. Okay. So the thing is, she was so scared. Why that purse was so important? Now I came to know. Okay, she was so scared.
फिर बोला फूल को तब मेरा पर्स गिर गया था और मैं काका के पास गई वो रो लगी तो उसने बोला 7 लविंग लो.
See, the thing is, why that purse was important is because that money was with Amitabh Ben's father's sister. Correct? And she was a Hitler. Okay, so if she goes and confesses as a young child, hey, I lost the money, and 50 rupees at that time was big. So she got scared. So she went immediately to Manibhai Shukla, who predicted this. And 46 years later also, she remembers this prediction. Thank you so much.
The purse was fell down, not snatched by somebody else. It was fell down on the floor.
કારણ કે સ્કૂલ દૂર ને ઘર દૂર એટલે ચાલતા ચાલતા
हाँ, so it was a half a mile distance. So half a mile distance. करके. So where in half a mile you'll find the purse? Just imagine. in
Nobody
half
else
a-
pick up.
And luckily nobody picked
Nobody
it
pick
up.
up.
Nobody picked it up.
She got it.
રાતો ની જતી રહી એક રાત તો જતી જ રહી ને
दूसरे दिन मिला
दूसरे
Acha, you got this on the second day.
second
So you
day.
were in stress. Oh.
સેકન્ડ ડે મિલા
So second day you went to Manibhai.
हाँ
And then he said, take this 7
यहाँ
rounds.
से ने- देखो उसके यहाँ फूल का झाड़ था पारिजात का
हाँ.
वो फूल के घर के पूजा का ना तो लेके गई और रोने लगी तो क्या हुआ तुम्हारे पास खोई गलू मनी काका
Hmm.
इनके ले ले हाथ लाऊंगी इनके लाती करती स्कूल होती जजे इनके
Hmm.
इनके
फूल
फूल ने
देने
कीधु
पड़ेगा।
मैं कीधु फूल ने तेंगे लम तन लाऊंगा એટલે રાત તો જતી જ રહેલી છતાં બી તાનું ત્યાં જ રહેલું.
मैं उसने बोला मणि काका को अभी कोई को मत बोलना
Okay.
Even though one night has passed, but nobody has picked up that purse.
Yeah, see the beauty of this prediction is one night had completely passed. One night had completely passed, and the next day she got the purse, and the purse was right over there when the 7th cloth was thrown.
ને
Where it was thrown.
પાછી સામે હોસ્પિટલ મારી જે સ્કૂલ છે જમનાબાઈ સ્કૂલ તેની સામે
हमने
કસ્તુરબા
कस्तूरबा
હોસ્પિટલ
हॉस्पिटल
મોટી મોટી
तो
હોસ્પિટલ
अभी किसी ने नहीं लिया था
अच्छा बाजू में हॉस्पिटल है.
સામે આ સ્કૂલ ની સામે હોસ્પિટલ.
Oh.
Nobody has seen that purse and
nobody
nobody
has
has
picked
picked
up
up.
that actually
It was lying on the floor.
Oh, no, that's the beauty. Opposite
એટલે
was
બધાને
the
યાદ રહી
hospital.
ગયું એટલે મને વધારે યાદ રહી ગયું.
Yeah, because ऐसा एक सुनसान जगह में रहेगा पर्स किसी ने नहीं लिया कोई बड़ी बात.
ये तो चलते
Okay,
हैं।
so the beauty is now this is the truth has come out further. Okay, where the purse was, right opposite was the hospital. Okay, Kasturba
Kasturba Hospital.
hospital. So there are a lot of people over there. So many people are traveling. They could have picked it up, but till next day nobody picked it up. Thank you so much for sharing this incident.
એટલે વધારે યાદ રહી ગયું.
And that is the reason she remembers the incident so much.
ને इसलिए આટલી બધી નહીં મળે એમ.
બીજા એકદમ poor હતા.
अच्छा.
હવે સારું એમ.
Okay.
એ
હવે તો
time
father
You all were
mother
very poor at that time. Okay. So that 50 rupees value is
high, very high.
इसलिए
very high. Okay. See, I mean, it's not about just a simple purse, it's about the value for that purse because they were very poor at that point of time, and that 50 rupees would have really created a lot of problems. So, astrologers, how they predict, he had intuition or siddhi or whatever, we do not know. It doesn't matter. What matters is whatever we use as astrologers or with our siddhi, how we can help people, That's about it. Thank you so much, Amita. Thank you. Thank you, Nandini.
Thank you.